Hi everybody, it's Jess. I'm back with window number 6. We're getting ready to start on October the 28th. So make sure on October the 28th, everybody's trained, you have your products out and you're ready to go. On that day, you're also going to put up all your in-store marketing. The media doesn't start until November the 4th, but we want to make sure that our stores have properly trained staff and our product is great. So October the 28th is the day. Before we jump into everything, I just want to draw your attention to 2 of the attachments that are attached to this email. One of them is the quick list. I spend a lot of time putting this together to try to make everything easy for you. I have it split up so you know window cling number 1, window cling number 2, menu translates, footers, etc., all the bits and bytes. I always know who's using this because their marketing material in store is posted correctly every single time. And the last thing I want to point out is the new up-to-date shelf life chart. We added all the new product from Windows 6. We've added it to the list. So the one you guys have right now is no longer current. This is the one you need. So make sure you print it off and post it. There's so many things in this window kit. It's like Christmas came early. It's pretty exciting. The first thing I'm going to go over are the window clings. They're a little bit different. They do have holes in all the corners so that we can post them up with suction cups. So this is actually going to help clean your windows, and it's also going to make sure when you're pulling them off, we're not wrecking any tint that you might have on the windows. So facing the parking lot, window cling number 1 is going to be Deluxe Pizza Sub. Facing the parking lot for window cling number 2 is going to be Give This, Get This for Free, which is this one right here. They're both double-sided, so make sure you have the right side facing the parking lot. Okay, so according to my quick list for the menu translates, menu translate number 1 is going to be the new pizza subs. The prices is all in the email, so make sure you add the pricing to this. Menu translate number 2 is going to be the same as the current month. It is the sub of the day. Some important information that you need to know is in your kit, you were sent a classic sandwich menu panel. Do not use it. You are allowed to throw it out. We do not want to post this up at all. A new one will be sent in the new year, so keep up the current classic menu panel that you have up now. You will receive a new grilled ciabatta menu panel, and we do want to use this one. It features the 6-inch and foot-long grilled ciabattas, and it also shows the new pizza subs. So please make sure to use this one and price it accordingly. If you've read our operations email for the new ciabattas, you'll remember that there is no longer an upcharge for ciabatta as a bread option, the untopped ciabatta. So in your kit, you're going to receive a black strip that looks like this, and this is actually going to go and it's going to cover up. It's going to cover up the upcharge option. A new Make It More panel will be sent in window kit number 1. So this is just temporary, but we don't want to advertise this upcharge because we are not going to charge an upcharge anymore. Okay, so moving on to the footers, they're actually almost similar for both markets this month, just one small difference. Footer number 1 is going to be the new chocolate lava cookie. We've added the pricing to the bottom for 1 single cookie. If someone is getting a dozen all lava cookies, we have a promotional price of $9. And then, of course, as you've already read, you know that 1 lava cookie equals 2 regular cookies. So the combo price for 1 lava cookie with a fountain drink is $2.99, which it already says on your menu panel. So make sure that these 2 price points match. So this is position number 1. Position number 2 is going to be your Sandwich Artist Picks, which is already up there. Footer number 3 is Holiday Party. We got you covered. So this will help to promote catering during the holidays, help build some sales. So make sure you have this one up in position number 3. Position number 4, if you're in Market 223, is the $24 dinner deal, $24 dinner deal. And if you're in Market 225, it's the Pick 3 for $23. Okay, so getting into the bits and bytes, there's a lot to go over. If you haven't noticed, we're spending a lot of time advertising catering. So here are some catering brochures for you. I would highly recommend putting your store information with a nice stamp or label on the back so that your customer doesn't have to look up your phone number. Here it is right here, everything they can order. It'll be great. Along with get any 6-inch for free this year, they're also allowing any regular wrap or any Mighty Melt when they purchase a $25 gift card, but it has to be redeemed at the time of purchasing the gift card. This is double-sided because as of January 5th, we want to flip it over, but make sure for now you're advertising get any free 6-inch when you purchase a $25 gift card. And to keep with the season, you have been sent holiday cards, so make sure these go out at the appropriate time. You are receiving a new counter card advertising the $6 dozen cookies. Do not throw out your other card, your current card. I'm not sure what's in store for it, but I've been told do not let anybody discard it, so keep them both. This one is to be on display, the green one. We have a new cookie, as you all know. This is the decal that goes on the top right-hand corner of your cookie display, which is also where the promotional cookies should be displayed, to let people know we have a new cookie in here, because a lot of times they see our cookie display every day. They need to know that we have something new in there, and this is going to help do that. You have the cookie tags as well. This is a chip header card. This is showing the featured 7-Up fountain drink if you are a fountain drink store. If you're a bottled only, yours will show a bottle of Pepsi. So this is the chip header card. This is another counter card. This goes at the point of order. And the reason why it goes at the point of order is because on the back, it gives you the pizza builds, the brand new pizza builds. So it's really easy for you to communicate to your guests what is on each new pizza sub until you have it memorized. So this goes at the point of order. Some other great training material in your kit is a poster. This should be put in the back. It tells you how to bake the bread, but I also made you a great video, so make sure you watch that. One thing I wanted to point out is the playbook has a misprint and it is not to be used. I've put all the proper attachments in the operations email that came out on Wednesday, so make sure that you use the ones that we sent you, not the ones in the playbook. Okay, card that we have here is a Subway Cares card. We're going to send you a separate World Sandwich Day email, so keep this card. This is a very important card. It goes with the Never Miss Lunch program for World Sandwich Day, which is November 3rd, in case you forgot. Last but not least, and maybe most importantly, we have some new sandwich unit clings. They are new and improved. So the ones that you have probably don't look the best, so make sure that you fill in the appropriate blanks and you get these posted. I'd recommend posting them closer to the top of the window, the sandwich unit lid, because the closer they are to the bottom, that's when the pans scrape them when they're going in and out, and those are just going to wreck them all over again. Okay, so the last thing I just want to mention is there's going to be a coupon drop on November the 12th. That's going to be in both markets. Each of the markets have slightly different coupons. All the coupons I've listed in the email, and they're also on the quick list, so make sure you take a look for those. Just as a reminder, all the World Sandwich Day material will be sent out separately in a World Sandwich Day kit. They should be arriving in stores the week of the 28th, and we're going to send out an email to follow. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Don't forget to check all the attachments with this email because they're there to help you get ready for Windows 6 and make it a success. Take care, everybody.